In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dealer, because this is the place where we will be entering codes. And let's start with the first one, which is Asterix Mount 2663 pound. And as you can see, here we've got advanced firmware version, so you can check plenty of details regarding your device. Also, those modes allows you to refresh Wi-Fi version if you want to. Just click here to do it. So let me go back. Another code will allow you to change USB settings. You just enter Asterix Mount 0808 pound at the end. And here you can smoothly change USB settings by tapping on the switcher right here. And then go back. The new version of your USB settings has been applied, and that's basically all. Then you can smoothly change your battery status. To do it, just enter Asterix Mount 0228 pound. And here you've got it, so you can check current value, voltage level, block current value, and so on. So let me go back, and another code that you can use, it's a bit longer, is Asterix Mount 268 33662 pound. And as you can see here, we've got service mode. If you click on more icon, we've got back, key input, select help, and also Wi-Fi. So for example, you can click on key input, and here you will be able to enter the value. So let me go back, and another code that you can use, actually this one is my favorite, is Asterix Mount Asterix Mount. And here you can test your device. So at first let me test display, click on red, it is working properly, green, also good, blue, perfect as well. Then check black if you want to, also working properly, tap on power key to switch it off. Then you can check receiver, vibration, as you can hear, as I can feel, it is working properly. And lastly, let me check, for example, the speaker, sorry. Now it will be a bit lower. And that's it. Then you can use some other tests if you want to. Just test those features that you would like to make sure that are working properly. And another code that you can use, it's perfect code to check firmware version. It's Asterix Mount 1234 pound. And as you can see here, we've got model number and other numbers that are truly important, and it's all regarding your firmware. So let me go back, and the last code that I would like to share with you today is Asterix Mount 06 pound, and this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Samsung Galaxy Note, and these are, for example, serial number or IMEI number. Tap on OK to go back, and that's it. These are codes that you can use in your device, enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.